Let's talk about something most men don't like to bring up: that slow, quiet decline that sneaks in after 40. You know what I'm talking about. You wake up feeling sluggish, even after a full night's sleep. Your focus at work isn't as sharp. And in the bedroom, things take longer to happen. Or sometimes they don't happen at all. What most men never realize is that small nutritional changes can make a huge difference in how your body produces testosterone. And believe it or not, the solution could be sitting right in your kitchen cabinet. Today, we're breaking down the 7 best nuts for men over 40, the ones proven to boost testosterone, improve blood flow, and restore lasting energy naturally. Stay with me until the end, because the final one on this list is a natural powerhouse that most American men have never even heard of, and it might just change how you feel within weeks. 1. Brazil nuts, the testosterone igniter. If testosterone had a natural ignition switch, Brazil nuts would be it. They're the richest food source of selenium, a trace mineral your testicles need to produce testosterone efficiently. Selenium helps your body create glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects sperm cells and supports detoxification. A Harvard Health study found that men with healthy selenium levels had higher testosterone, better sperm motility, and stronger thyroid function. Here's the connection most men don't know. Your thyroid and testosterone work together. When one slows down, the other follows. If you often wake up groggy or feel your drive fading, try eating 1 or 2 Brazil nuts in the morning with your coffee. That small addition can give your hormonal system the raw material it needs to stay strong. 2. Walnuts, the blood flow booster. Walnuts are often called the thinking man's nut. They look like the brain, and they fuel it too. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the same kind found in salmon. Omega-3s improve blood flow, lower inflammation, and help your body produce nitric oxide, the molecule that opens your blood vessels and supports healthy circulation. For men, that means more oxygen to muscles, faster recovery after exercise, and yes, stronger, more reliable performance when it matters most. Crush a few walnuts into your morning oatmeal, or snack on a handful before your workout. Within 2 to 3 weeks, most men notice improved stamina, sharper focus, and fewer midday crashes. 3. Pistachios, the clinical proof. Pistachios aren't just tasty, they're clinically proven to help men perform better. A Turkish study published in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men who ate 100 grams of pistachios daily for 3 weeks experienced significant improvement in erectile function, blood flow, and testosterone levels, all without medication. Why? Because pistachios are loaded with arginine, vitamin E, and plant sterols. These nutrients lower LDL cholesterol, relax arteries, and boost nitric oxide, the same chemical your body uses to support firm, healthy circulation. Go for raw, unsalted pistachios, about a small handful a day. Replace your afternoon chips with them, and within a few weeks you'll notice better focus, more energy, and yes, better performance. Still watching? Type Team Pistachio in the comments if you're adding these to your snack list this week. 4. Almonds, the hormone balancer. If Brazil nuts are the spark and pistachios are the flow, almonds are the stabilizer. They're rich in zinc, magnesium, and vitamin E, the 3 pillars of healthy hormone production. Zinc builds testosterone. Magnesium helps your body handle stress. Vitamin E protects your arteries from damage. A Cleveland Clinic review found that magnesium deficiency was directly linked to fatigue, poor sleep, and low libido, all signs of hormonal imbalance. Keep a small bag of almonds at your desk or in your car. When you feel that midday slump coming, skip the candy bar and grab 10 to 15 almonds instead. The slow-release fats and magnesium will stabilize your blood sugar, keep your energy steady, and help your hormones stay balanced. And remember, testosterone is made from cholesterol. The right kind of fat is essential. 5. Macadamia nuts, the fat fixer. Most American men eat too much of the wrong fat: fried food, vegetable oils, and processed snacks overflowing with omega-6 fats. These fats cause inflammation, clog arteries, and disrupt testosterone production. Macadamia nuts fix that. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, the same healthy type found in olive oil, which help your body naturally create testosterone. They're also extremely low in omega-6 fats, meaning they restore balance and lower inflammation. Just 8 to 10 macadamia nuts a day is enough. They're calorie dense, so don't overdo it. If you're trying to lose weight while keeping testosterone high, swap your cookies or chips for a small handful of macadamias. You'll be feeding your hormones instead of fighting them. 6. Pumpkin seeds, the tiny powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, may be small, but they're loaded with nutrients that matter for men. They're one of the richest natural sources of zinc, the mineral that acts like a key for testosterone production. Here's how it works. Testosterone is made inside your testicular Leydig cells, and zinc is the key that unlocks that process. Without enough zinc, your body simply can't produce testosterone efficiently. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium and tryptophan, two nutrients that help you sleep deeper. And deep sleep is when your body releases most of its testosterone. Add a tablespoon of raw pumpkin seeds to your oatmeal, smoothie, or salad. You won't even notice them, but your body will. Within weeks, you'll feel the difference in energy, focus, and drive. 7. Hazelnuts, the circulation protector. Hazelnuts are loaded with vitamin E and manganese, two nutrients that protect your blood vessels and nerves, which means better circulation and steadier energy. Vitamin E also helps preserve nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes arteries and improves blood flow, especially to sensitive areas that depend on healthy circulation. So if your hands or feet often feel cold, or you've noticed slower stamina, vitamin E from hazelnuts can help restore that natural warmth and balance. They're also rich in folate and copper, which support your nervous system, key for mental sharpness and consistent energy throughout the day. Try adding a handful of crushed hazelnuts to Greek yogurt or oatmeal, and pair it with berries for an antioxidant-rich breakfast. That simple habit lowers oxidative stress, one of the biggest hidden causes of fatigue and low testosterone in men over 40. Now you can see the full picture. Every nut on this list feeds your body's testosterone engine. When you replace processed snacks with these natural foods, your blood flow improves, your hormones rebalance, and your energy returns. Within weeks, most men notice sharper focus, a more stable mood, and renewed confidence, both at work and at home. If this video helped you understand how real food can support your performance, energy, and vitality, hit the like button, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe to Health vs. Fact for more science-backed nutrition tips made for men who want to age strong, stay sharp, and feel alive again. And tell me in the comments, which of these nuts are you going to start with first? Brazil nuts? Pistachios? Or maybe the overlooked power of pumpkin seeds? This is Health vs. Fact, where we turn real science into everyday strength.